Noon pong mga seminarista pa po kami, isa po sa mga biruan namin whenever we would see our brothers now graduating or someone accomplishing a particular task, madalas po naming biruan o masabi ang ekspresyon na ito. Si kuya, si brother, si kapatid, may napatunayan na. He has proven himself. He has proved something to us. When someone is proving himself or herself, he or she asserts and makes himself big and decisive and right. There is nothing wrong when we wish to assert or prove ourselves. We really express what is inside of us and what we do intend to do for others, most especially. But sometimes proving ourselves may lead to divisions and even to bad experiences of disconnection, of pain, and even hatred to each other. If we wish to describe Herod from what we have heard from our gospel today, tila ang taong ito may gustong patunayan. He wishes to prove himself. And he would like to tell us, akala nyo, yang batang isinilang gagalangin ko? That child born in Bethlehem, should you wish that I should respect him? No. But I am here to prove myself. I am here to say that I am mightier than him. I am much stronger than him. That is why I have my hands over him. Too much proving of ourselves may raise us to pride and even to making ourselves Lord above all others. But what he seemed to be his thought came to be otherwise. He thought that by killing or murdering these innocent children will prove that I am king, that I am the Lord of everything. But little did he know that while he seemed to be proving himself, God outnumbered his pride by proving his mercy and love over these innocent children. Akala niya, napatunayan na niya ang kanyang sarili sa kanyang lakas ng pagpapapatay sa mga batang ito. Pero nagkakamali siya doon. Mas pinatunayan ng Diyos na may mas lakas siya kaysa sa lakas na mayroon si Herodes. Our church really intended to place the feast of the Holy Innocents within this Christmas season, not only to teach us about the martyrdom of these innocent children, but to make us aware how God is proving His greatness and love to all of us. Humanity may prove himself by hating others, but God proves himself by lifting others up. Wala tayong pinatutunayan kung mambabagsak at mang-aapak tayo ng tao. Pero tulad ng Diyos, we also prove ourselves when we raise others and help others as well know the Lord. My dear brothers and sisters, with the many Herod present around, let us choose to be like the simple child of Bethlehem, that although with nothing to say for these innocent children, He raised them up to heaven and proved them His mercy and love. This Christmas, when we take off what we need to prove, may we take off what we need to prove and give way how God can prove Himself by saving others and by loving us all the more.